Dear students, do you know what a punctuation is? The story My Mother at 66 in class 12, it is written in a single line and punctuation is used in between the words. The word punctuation refers to any one of the many tools that are employed to shape the implication of a text. It can be spacing or any of the group of symbols used to break sentences, separate clauses and alter meaning in a passage. Here are some examples like full stop, question mark, comma, semicolon, exclamation mark, colon, apostrophe. First one is full stop. This punctuation tool is denoted by the symbol of a dot, also called period in North American English. It is used to indicate the end of a statement or sentence. For example, the Ford Explorer is a fine car. Jane is a good girl. At the word girl, the sentence is complete. Therefore, we put a dot. In example first also, the Ford Explorer is a fine car. Then after that, we put a dot. This means the sentence is completed now. Next one is question mark. It is denoted by the symbol question mark. This is the mark of question. Means when we are asking someone a question, we are putting that mark at the end. For example, in which continent is Italy located? This is a question. Which here is a question word. At last, we put the mark, that is question mark. Next is comma. Comma is denoted by the symbol this one. It is used to denote a pause or interval in a sentence. It is also used to demarcate independent clauses. Comma are also used to split items in a list. Here are few examples. I like red, blue, green and purple colors. So we have to take a pause when we are coming across a comma. Next is semicolon, denoted by this mark. It is similar to a comma in creating a pause between two independent clauses, but it is only used when the pause has to be more prominent and when there is no coordinating conjunction like and to join them. For example, Britain was leading sea power of the 19th century. She had numerous battleships in her service. Now the sentence end here and we put a dot, that is full stop. Next is exclamation mark. The punctuation mark is used after an exclamation or interruption to add more emphasis to it. For example, hey, look out. 6 colon. This particular punctuation mark is used to precede a list, an explanation, or a quote. Example, there are 4 cardinal signs: Aries, Libra, Cancer, and Capricorn. Here is another example. Oscar Wilde had once proclaimed, be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. The last one is apostrophe. The punctuation mark is used to express either a possession, omission of letters, or a plural form in certain cases. For example, that is Mary's house. You can't do it without my help. How many A's have you got in your report card? Now here is a question and there is a question mark too. That's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Bye bye.